I was trying to book a massage last week and I realized something kind of weird.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't text a friend for a recommendation. I didn't even look at a flyer. I just asked a chatbot to find me a holistic stress relief center with good parking.
And I'm guessing it actually came back with pretty decent answer.
It did, which is great for me, but it made me think if I'm the business owner, that's a terrifying shift.
Yeah.
How do I make sure the robot picks me?
That is the million-dollar question right now, and it's exactly what we're unpacking today. We've got a deep stack of insights from Samyak Online. They're a digital agency that's been in the wellness sector for over 20 years.
So they've seen the whole transition from
Mhm.
yellow pages to, well, to whatever this new AI reality is.
They absolutely have, and their main point is that we aren't just doing SEO anymore. We are dealing with AI SEO and LLM SEO.
Okay. Before we get lost in the acronyms, let's talk about the target here.
Yeah.
Who is this even for? Because the source material says there's been a real shift in what these businesses even are.
Exactly. It's the shift from being just a service provider to becoming a wellness destination. I mean, 20 years ago, you just searched for massage.
Right.
Now clients are looking for holistic healing or luxury retreats or, specific emotional outcomes.
So if you're a spa owner and you're just trying to rank for the word spa,
You're already losing. You're invisible to that high-value client. You have to be discoverable when someone types a complex emotional need into Google or Bing Copilot. And that's where AI SEO comes in.
I see AI slapped on everything these days. Is this just a buzzword or is it, functionally different from regular SEO?
It is different. It's different because it focuses on intent. See, old school SEO was all about matching keywords. Spa, deli, price.
Got it.
AI SEO is conversational. It optimizes for the person typing, where's the best place to decompress after a breakup near me?
Which is a very different technical challenge. You aren't just matching words, you're matching a whole vibe.
Yeah, huge difference. But the sources highlight something even more specific, LLM SEO.
Large language model SEO.
Yes. And this is really the aha moment in the research. I mean, think about ChatGPT or Gemini. They aren't searching the web in real time for every single query. They're predicting the best answer based on all their training data.
So LLM SEO is what basically trying to train the AI to know you exist in the first place.
In a nutshell, yes. It's about structuring your data, using things like schema markup, so when the AI scrapes the web to learn, it understands exactly who you are. It sees you're not just business A, you are an Ayurvedic center specializing in Shirodhara.
You're teaching the robot how to recommend you.
You're convincing the gatekeeper. And that connects directly to semantic SEO, which Samyak Online really emphasizes. It's moving from matching words to matching meanings.
Context over keywords. Okay, but look, for the business owners listening who might feel like this is getting a little too sci-fi, the material does ground this in practical steps, right?
Yeah.
You don't need to be a coder.
No, not at all. It all circles back to trust and visibility. They talk about local SEO optimizing your Google business profile is it's non-negotiable for near-me searches. But the biggest factor, reputation management.
Reviews.
Always reviews. You can have the smartest back-end code on the planet, but if your star rating is low, the AI won't recommend you and humans won't pick you.
It's funny, isn't it? The tech gets more and more complex, but the main metric is still just, do people like you?
Always. And visuals play a huge role there, too. Instagram Reels, actually showing the therapy. You have to prove the experience visually so the algorithms can see that engagement.
But does all this technical stuff, does it actually move the needle? Or is it just busy work?
The data suggests it really works. The notes had feedback from a client, Yemi Nekach. He mentioned that after they went in and did the technical fixes, their site health scores moved into the green zone.
Which usually correlates directly with more traffic.
It does. And there was another note from a client, Becca Hansen, who specifically praised the execution. It really seems like fixing the invisible back-end stuff, the sort of plumbing of the website, is what allows everything else to perform.
I like the analogy the agency used for their own work. They called these services digital therapy sessions.
It fits, doesn't it? Just like a spa aligns your body, these fixes align the business's digital health so it can actually compete.
It keeps the business visible instead of just existing.
And in this market, visibility is survival.
So the big takeaway here seems to be that digital marketing for spas has really evolved. It's not just about pretty pictures anymore. It's about speaking the language of the algorithms our customers are now relying on.
Right. If you aren't optimized for the AI, you're just letting a robot decide to send your customer somewhere else.
Which brings us to a final thought to chew on. We're spending all this time optimizing our wellness businesses for large language models and search algorithms. And it makes you wonder, are we optimizing our spas for the human experience, or are we just reshaping wellness to fit an algorithm's definition of it?
That is the question.
Thanks for diving in with us. Go find some relaxation however you choose to search for it.